Hello folks. Now this video of Google Shopping video campaign setup is probably the last video of this Google Shopping ad modules course. And here we started our journey learning with Google Shopping overview. Then we discussed about the Merchant Center setup, data feed. We also launched two different campaigns prior to this video. It was all about launching a standard shopping campaign and then the Performance Max campaign. Now in this video, it's all about the launch of Google Shopping video campaign. Now, technically, you don't have a Google Shopping video campaign, but it's the subtype of a campaign. And this campaign helps you to show the Google products below the video. So when somebody watches a video on YouTube and you want this customer to see the products that you have in the Merchant Center account, you simply launch this video campaign and then you choose the Google Merchant Center account. Let's quickly launch this campaign from the Google Ad interface. Now, you simply have to come into ads.google.com. Then you have to click on this plus button that says create campaign and you click on new campaign. Now here you either choose any of the objectives or you go without any goal objective. And then rather than getting into shopping type, which is the actual campaign type for all the shopping campaigns, you have to get it through video campaign, the video option. Now, right after clicking video option, you have to go with the first subtype, which says video views, and then you simply click on continue. Now here we simply have to name this campaign as video shopping. The bidding strategy has to be target CPV only because we are going with the first available option. Then in campaign total budget, let's say we give a budget of 100 rupees and keep this budget, run this campaign for the next 3 days. Now, in terms of networks, we go with all the available networks. In terms of location, we choose Delhi and NCR, which is the selected locations. Languages has to be all languages. This is totally fine. And we quickly jump into an option that says product feed. Now, this option actually allows us to show the products below the video. Now, we simply go with the option of choosing the Google Merchant Center account, and then we simply choose the available Merchant Center account name. Now, once this Merchant Center account is selected, we simply scroll down, and rather than going with the multi-ad formats, we simply go with one single ad format that we'll be choosing afterwards. Now, in terms of campaign name, we can go with the existing campaign. That's totally fine. In terms of product filter, if we want, we can choose the certain number of products. So let's say we want to go with one single product, we go with item ID so that we get the item ID of the different products, and we choose the product that you want to show along with the video ad. Now, for choosing the product, we simply scroll down, look for any audience name. We set up the demography to females just because we don't want to show the ads to males and unknown people. In terms of age range, we go with 18 till 34. Now, in terms of interest, we are simply going with fine jewelry as the target interest category. In terms of audience expansion, we don't want to go with it. We don't want to add any other content targeting methods. And then we simply have to provide the video URL link. So we already have this video URL. I already had it copied. So you can simply paste this video URL and then choose the first option, which is gonna show the products when a skippable ad is showing up on YouTube. So let me choose it. Now, right after choosing it, you can see the preview towards my right. Now, when somebody is gonna see this video on YouTube, below the video, we are gonna list our products. So all the products that we can choose, we can show those products below these videos. And then we can simply have our final URL pasted over here. So I can simply go to the product sheet, copy this product URL, project URL, which is springtails.shop. And then I can simply paste this URL into the final URL bar. In terms of call to action, we can name it something like shop now so that this button says shop now. In terms of headline, we can name it something like artificial jewelry. Nope. Artificial shop now. So let's say we name it buy now as the headline, because this is only having 15 characters. Or buy jewelry shall be making more sense. That's right, buy jewelry. Now, in terms of ad name, this seems okay. Ad creation is one ad. In terms of maximum CPV, this is the amount that we are willing to pay for one single view, just because it's a video campaign actually. But this video campaign is going to show the products ads inside it along with it. And now we can simply click on create campaign. Now, people who are looking forward to learn anything from this video course, I want them to come back to this project-based Google Ads training sheet. And from here, I want you to launch a video campaign with shopping ads. So, right, so you have to launch a video campaign, and then again, you have to choose the shopping product feed, then review all type of ads, add one or more ad groups. So this time I want you to launch multiple groups, and you choose different products and different groups, right? So in the exercise 2, you make a product groups in this campaign. All right. So now I guess here we are completing the exercise of Google Shopping modules. If you want, you can go with YouTube video ad modules, you can go with display modules, or you can go with search modules so that you can complete your journey of learning project-based Google Ads. I'll see you in the next video.